Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, fractal Bitcoin. Welcome back, everybody.
Oh, forget it.
I'm telling you, this is your daily Bitcoin news video. We talk about Bitcoin, we talk about the collapse of fiat currencies, and it's all because I'm trying to help you and me and all of us build our future prosperity, get away from the evils of fiat, utilize Bitcoin because it's arguably the greatest invention of our lifetimes. So let's get right to the chart. Not much happening. Right now we're at 58,400. And you can see over the past, since the 6th, so yeah, about the last week, we've been coming up a little. Again, September is going to be a down month. But I did want to mention that I got, believe it or not, and I'm not lying, okay? I got a piece of leaked audio. It was a conversation between Michael Saylor and Peter Schiff. It was just a phone call. And, you know, because I have contacts, it was recorded. And me and Barry, my producer over here, we were able to hear this leaked phone call between Michael Saylor and Adam Schiff. And obviously I can't play the call for you, but Barry, you heard the call. How would you describe that call?
And they were cussing up a storm. Profanities left, profanities right.
Profanities left, profanities right.
Every second word was the F word.
Every second word was the F word. Okay, look, Barry heard it. I'm just reporting. Okay, well, Bitcoin is currently only 1.59% down this month of September. And we know September, this is it right here, is usually a down month, and we were down more, but since we've come up the past week, we're only down a little bit. So anyway, that's just a report on where we are in September. And of course, October, November, and December are typically green months, but we shall see. And here, Bitcoin to break $100,000 after the U.S. election and mid six figures within 2 years is not a stretch. Is from Bitcoin Archive. And yeah, look, a lot of people have their opinions. Whoever this is on CNBC, Market Alert, whatever. You have your opinions, I have mine. But a lot of people this is sort of a consensus opinion. 100K, maybe this year, after, December. And then next year, who knows? You got absolute legends like Samson Mow saying we're going to hit $1 million this cycle. So we'll see. But I did want to just cover a couple things because I don't, a lot of times I cover the news and different things, but I do want to cover some of the fundamentals of Bitcoin. And these are a few implications of Bitcoin as sound money. If the world used Bitcoin as sound money, yeah, we would have protection against inflation. Due to its limited supply, Bitcoin serves as a hedge against inflation, preserving purchasing power over time. You think that's important? My goodness. Financial inclusion. Bitcoin offers access to a global financial system for individuals who may be excluded from traditional banking. So that would be promoting economic empowerment. Let's go. Security and control. Users have full control over their Bitcoin, eliminating reliance on banks or governments, which can be prone to failure or corruption. Yeah, usually corruption. Always corruption, I should say. Encouragement of savings. Yeah, the principles of sound money encourage a culture of saving, as individuals are motivated to hold a currency that retains its value. And as we know, Bitcoin increases in value over time. So yeah, just some fundamental reminders I think it's always good to talk about. And here, just another reminder, your $1,400 stimulus check from 4 years ago is now worth $11,700 if you bought Bitcoin with it. Right? Think about that. That $1,400 check, if you bought Bitcoin immediately and just held it, it's now worth $11,700. Oh yeah, let's go. And let's talk about taking profits, because a lot of people want to, but it could 10x. Yeah, so this whole idea of taking profits with Bitcoin in a way it's strange. In a way it's not strange, but in a way it is strange, because when people think of investing, you think of taking profits, right? When you buy in and then the value goes up, people think, oh, I'll take some profits. And that's a traditional finance investment idea. It can also be a Bitcoin idea. Plenty of people buy Bitcoin, and when it goes up, they sell and take profits. But we have to understand, because Bitcoin is fundamentally different, as we read through those fundamentals of sound money, taking profits, in a way, it doesn't make sense. Because first of all, the reality of taking profits is most people who take profits, they'll take profits and then the price keeps going up. And then they end up buying in higher than they took the profits. So they didn't make profits, they lost. So with Bitcoin, as Michael Saylor describes it, it's like property, digital property. So if you had an amazing property in Manhattan, New York City, and the value went up, you wouldn't sell it just to take profit, because why would you sell that property? It's a world-class property. It's going to always go up. So you would never sell it. So that's how Bitcoin is. That's how a lot of people view Bitcoin. That's why taking profits, I mean, real hardcore Bitcoiners, no, they're not taking profits. I'm not taking profits. And I love it because I don't have to watch the market, try to time the top and all that. No. You know what I do instead? If it goes up in the bull run and it peaks and then it comes down, guess what I do? Buy in when it's low. Hello. So anyway, what do you think about this idea of taking profits in Bitcoin? Because it's an interesting topic and there's no wrong answer. Okay. There's no wrong answer. It's just discussion, right? We're here to learn. So yeah, breaking. Bitcoin security, the hash rate, just reached a new all-time high of 92.67 terahashes. Bitcoin network has never been more secure. And yeah, here's the chart of the hash rate, new all-time high. And that's really good because the price follows the hash rate typically, right? All right, subscribe to the channel if you'd like to. And let's get into a couple stories of fiat and government nonsense because Bitcoin solves these issues. It really does. Just some news. Europe cuts rates again by 0.25%. Canada, UK, China, Denmark, and the US Fed is next. I think it's going to happen next week. So again, when they cut rates, the money starts to flow. The economy is stimulated. Things usually go up. And even Bitcoin in the past, when they cut rates, Bitcoin does go up. So yeah, and here is central banks when you hold your wealth in Bitcoin, right? Check this out. Oh yeah, there's the mosquito trying to bite into your hand, trying to suck your blood, but it can't. It just can't reach. There's something blocking this central bank from sucking your blood. There's something stopping it. Ooh, it's Bitcoin. Yeah, I love this. I love this. This is so true. Oh, it's so good. And here is a politician helping a man prepare sandwiches. You ever wonder what that looks like? We have video. Let's go. Here we go. This is what it's like living with a corrupt government. There's the government over your shoulder. Look, just hoovering up anything it can hoover up. Right? My goodness. And he's trying to imagine that though. This video's great. This is literally the government. Just anything it can grab out of your hand, it will. This is literal reality with the government. Look at this. All the spit coming out, man. Crazy. All right. That's enough of that. And why does this tree look like it's sneaking out of the woods? It's pretty funny. Like he's tiptoeing across the river to get away, right? That's so funny. And here are Ohio cats. They are preparing. These are the cats in Ohio. Oh, yeah. Look, it's hard. It's a hard life as a cat in Ohio. Springfield, Ohio, to be specific. These guys are getting ready. Here, yeah, this is dogs leaving Springfield, Ohio after watching the debate. There they are. They got in the car. They packed the whole family. They even got the little one in the car seat. Right? Got to get out of Springfield, Ohio, please. Yeah, and here, no one is eating people's pets. That's the media today. Why do you care that people are eating pets? That's next week. Why eating pets is a good thing? That's next month. And refusing to eat pets is white supremacy. That's next year. Coming soon. Yeah, this is the progression of the corporate news media. It's absolutely true. And here we have a rare photograph of the iPhone 14, 15, and 16. There you go. iPhone really breaking new ground, right? All right, well, this is our website, fractalbitcoin.com. You can find everything here, including this link on the very top. It says join our locals community. Click that and come over and join our locals. It's free, and we're growing the community, so it's pretty small right now, pretty uneventful too, but you know what? It's for the future. But that's it. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you to all you savages in the comments making jokes. You guys have me laughing every day. I really love it. I still feeling a little sick today, but this episode has been brought to you by Advil and Sudafed. So I'm kidding. All right, but that's it. I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's Bitcoin news video. All right, bye.